Hello friends, this is your Inbox channel. In this video, we are going to see some unknown facts about the Australian Open. So watch the video fully and let's enter into the video. In tennis, there are 4 Grand Slam games. Wimbledon, established in 1877, the US Open, established in 1881, and the French Open, established in 1891. The Australian Open was established in 1905. Before going into the first fact, what video do you want next? Don't forget to comment in the comment box. The first fact about the Australian Open is when the Australian Open was first held, the very first game was held in a cricket field at Warhouseman's Cricket Ground. Today, the facility is known as Albert Reserve Tennis Centre. The second fact about the Australian Open is Ken Rosewall is a prominent name in the tennis world with several Grand Slam singles titles and 9 slams in doubles with a career double Grand Slam. But he is also the youngest player to win the Australian Open at 18 years old in 1953 and the oldest at 35 in 1972. Meanwhile, in the women's division, Martina Hingis is considered the youngest to win the tournament at 16 years old and Thelma Long as the oldest at age 35. The third fact about the Australian Open is the biggest challenge for players in the Australian Open is the Australian Heat. The tournament is set in January when summer in Australia is in full swing, and with summer comes the sweltering heat that can reach up to 40 degrees Celsius. Being out in the heat is hard. Much more so if you are playing tennis. That is why players are encouraged to make of braided ice towels to keep cool between sets. And in 1988, the extremely heat policy was put in place when the referee can stop the game at any time if the temperature reaches 40 degrees. The fourth fact about the Australian Open is unlike sports like basketball or American football, tennis does not have a time limit. That is why matches can sometimes last for hours on end. And in the Australian Open, the longest game lasted for 5 hours. That game was between Rafael Nadal and Novak Djokovic during the final match in the Australian Open in 2012. Djokovic ended up defeating Nadal 7-5. The fifth fact about the Australian Open is the Australian Open has its fair share of hiccups over its existence, one of which happened in 1977. Before, the games were from December to January. Following the games from December 1976 to January 1977, the organizers wanted the second tournament for that year to be held in December 1977. The drawback was that not a lot of players competed, but if the tournament happened twice in 1977, it was not held at all in 1986. During the 80s, the games were held on the last week of November to the first week of December. That was the setup till 1985. After that year, the games have since been held in the middle of January, starting in 1987, and that was why there was no Australian Open in 1986. The sixth fact about the Australian Open is the Lawn Tennis Association of Australia was formulated in 1904 in order for the Australia to be eligible to contest the Davis Cup competition and for Australia to host the region's championships. 1926 saw a name change to Lawn Tennis Association of Australia and Sir Norman Brooks became the president for 29 years. It became the Australian Championships in 1927 and the Australian Open in 1969. Since 1905, the Australian Open has been staged in 5 different cities: Melbourne 62 times, Sydney 17 times, Adelaide 14 times, Brisbane 8 times, Perth 3 times, as well as in New Zealand 2 times. The seventh fact about the Australian Open is in 1972, Kooyong Lawn Tennis Club became the permanent home of the Australian Open due to Melbourne attracting the biggest patronage. The eighth fact about the Australian Open is TA is the governing body for the sport of tennis in Australia. The organization exists up to promote tennis and conduct domestic and international tournaments on behalf of Australia, including the Australian Open, Davis Cup and Federation Cup. The ninth fact about the Australian Open is in 1984, the Lawn Tennis Association of Australia became a company, and then in 1986 began to trade as Tennis Australia, that is TA. TA is the governing body for the sport of tennis in Australia. The organization exists to promote tennis and conduct domestic and international tournaments on behalf of Australia, including the Australian Open, Davis Cup and Federation Cup. TA and the Australian Open moved to its new permanent home at Flinders Park, now Melbourne Park, in 1988. The tournament was not held between 1916 and 1980 or 1940 and 1945 due to international conflicts happening at that time. The 10th fact about the Australian Open is the Australian Open holds the record for the highest attendance of any tennis tournament ever staged with 8,12,174 people attending the 2020 edition. The video is over. Thank you for watching the video patiently. If you like the video, like it and don't forget to share and subscribe to Inbox channel. Thank you.